Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to make peppermint bark. It's a very simple recipe, but it has caused a few issues for some commenters, so I wanted to create a video to help clarify some of the steps. To start, you'll need to melt 12 ounces of dark chocolate and 1 pound of white chocolate in double boilers. Today I experimented with using white chocolate chips to save time, and they do not work, so do not do this. I will show you in just a bit. For the dark chocolate, I've used both Valrhona and Guittard chocolate wafers, and they both work beautifully. Once the chocolate begins melting, stir with a spatula until smooth, then add a 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract and stir again to incorporate. Remove the pan from the heat and remove the bowl from the pan. When the bowl is cool enough to handle, 2 to 3 minutes later, pour the chocolate into a parchment-lined pan. I'm using a 10 by 14 inch metal pan. You can use a 9 by 13 inch glass pan or anything that is similar. Shake the pan gently to allow the chocolate to spread evenly. Transfer the pan to the fridge for roughly 10 minutes or until the chocolate sets. Meanwhile, tend to your white chocolate. As you can see, the white chocolate chips just do not melt into a pourable consistency. So I've set another pound of white chocolate over a bowl of simmering water. This is Calibo white chocolate that I cut into rough shards. When the white chocolate begins melting, stir until smooth, then add a 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract and stir again until smooth. Remove the pan from the heat and remove the bowl from the pan. When the dark chocolate layer has set, and if you are using a glass pan, it may take slightly longer than 10 minutes, pour the white chocolate over the top. Use the back of the spoon to carefully spread the white chocolate layer over the chocolate until it has been spread edge to edge. As with the dark chocolate layer, you can shake the pan gently to help the white chocolate spread evenly. For the last step, you need crushed candy canes. I'm using candy canes that I pulverized in the food processor to a fine dust, and I'm using roughly a 1/4 cup. Sprinkle the candy canes over the white chocolate layer using a sieve or your hands until the white chocolate layer is evenly covered. Place the pan in the fridge for 20 minutes. Remove the pan from the fridge and let sit at room temperature for another 20 minutes before cutting. At this point, you can break the bark into shards or you can cut it into neat squares or triangles. I've been trimming off the very edges first, then cutting the bars into 2-inch squares, and then finally into triangles. You can serve the bark immediately, or you can return it to the fridge to allow it to firm up slightly if necessary. And that's it. I have been loving making this one so much this year for gifts, for its ease and deliciousness and high yield. The bark keeps well at room temperature and is such a treat to have on hand this time of year. As always, let me know if you have any questions. Bye!